Hello folks! After 5 months, Samsung will likely unveil its next flagship smartphone lineup, the Galaxy S25, but most details about the highest-end model in the series have already been revealed. If you were hoping for an upgrade for the Galaxy S25 Ultra battery capacity, your hopes would be dashed, as it isn't getting any upgrade. According to the latest information in the China Compulsory Certification (CCC) database, the Galaxy S25 Ultra's battery capacity is 4,885 mAh. This is similar to the Galaxy S24 Ultra's rated battery capacity, which means the Galaxy S25 Ultra's battery will be advertised as 5,000 mAh. A previous report also claimed that Samsung won't be upgrading the charging speeds with its next flagship phone, so if you were hoping to see a bigger battery or faster charging with the Galaxy S25 Ultra, prepare to be disappointed. Chinese rivals Honor, OnePlus, Oppo, Vivo and Xiaomi have already started equipping their flagship phones with batteries larger than 5,000 mAh. Some reports claim that Chinese brands are testing batteries with 6,000 mAh and even 7,500 mAh capacity. While the Galaxy S24 Ultra lasts a day with heavy usage and a day and a half with moderate usage, a bigger battery will surely help it last a day and a half even with heavy usage. With smartphone use increasing daily and their increasing importance in everyone's daily lives, battery life is becoming even more important. Hopefully, Samsung will start using silicon carbide batteries similar to what Chinese firms have adopted for their high-end phones. What else to expect from the Galaxy S25 series? Well, Samsung will reportedly introduce a new design for the Galaxy S25 series, featuring rounded corners. The Galaxy S25 Ultra will get a huge camera upgrade, featuring a 200-megapixel primary camera, two 50-megapixel telephoto cameras, and a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera. The devices in the lineup will use the Exynos 2500 chip or the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor depending on the market. Both are 3nm chips and have big performance improvements. The devices will also run Android 15-based One UI 7.1 software out of the box. If Samsung continues with its pattern, the devices will get 7 major Android OS updates and several Galaxy AI features. Moreover, Samsung is expected to unveil its next flagship tablet lineup, the Galaxy Tab S10, within the next 2 months. It will bring a huge change in its processor, as the South Korean firm will reportedly use a MediaTek chip for the first time in its flagship tablet. However, its charging speed might not get an upgrade, at least according to a new leak. The Galaxy Tab S10 Plus, SMX 820 and the Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra SMX 926C were certified in China by the China Compulsory Certification, and those certification documents reveal that the tablet's fast charging speed will remain 45 watts, 10 volts and 4.5 amperes. This is similar to the charging speed of the Galaxy Tab S9 series, which was launched in mid-2023. It is also surprising that the base Galaxy Tab S10 is not in the CCC certification database. Even in other usual sources of information, it has not been found. Some rumors claimed that Samsung will only launch the Plus and Ultra variants of the Galaxy Tab S10, and that could be true, at least based on the leaks so far. The Galaxy Tab S10 series will reportedly feature the MediaTek Dimensity 9300 Plus processor, a 4nm chip fabricated by TSMC. It has 8 high-performance CPU cores and ARM's extremely powerful Immortalis G720MC12 GPU with hardware ray tracing. The upcoming tablets are expected to be launched in October 2024. Anyway guys, we will keep you updated. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.